Okay, so the AI gold rush is definitely on. But here's a little secret. While everyone's out there digging for gold, the real money, it's in selling the shovels. In this explainer, we're going to break down a really powerful strategy from the Monetizing Intelligence Guide. We'll show you exactly how you can be the one selling those shovels, turning what you know into a seriously profitable business. So let's get into it.
And look, this isn't just some passing trend. It's a full-on tidal wave. I mean, just think about the legal profession for a second. AI can now do in minutes what used to take a whole team of lawyers weeks of research. That's the kind of power we're talking about, and it's happening everywhere, in every single industry. The game has totally changed. The old rules, they just don't apply anymore. This is our new reality.
So the big question is, right, how do you get a piece of this multi-trillion-dollar pie? It's so easy to feel left behind, to think you need to be some kind of coding genius to even have a chance. But what if I told you the biggest opportunity isn't in building the next big AI? What if it's in teaching people how to use the amazing tools we already have? That's the gap in the market we're going to dive into.
You know, this whole new AI frontier, it really is like the Wild West. There's just so much opportunity. But at the same time, with new tools and tech popping up every single day, it's just so easy to get lost in all the noise. It honestly feels like trying to drink from a fire hose. So how do you even begin to find your way in this, well, chaotic new world?
I mean, just look at this list, right? It's enough to make your head spin. And honestly, this is just the tip of the iceberg. It feels like every single day there's a new game-changing AI tool that comes out, promising it's going to revolutionize everything. But seriously, who has the time to learn all of them? This right here, this is the exact pain point that millions of people are feeling. And you know what they say, where there's pain, there's a huge opportunity.
Okay, so here's the secret. You don't need to be a genius to make a fortune in this AI boom. You really don't. You just need to be a great teacher. Think about it this way. You don't have to invent the car. You just have to be the one who teaches people how to drive it. And that is the beautifully simple idea at the very heart of monetizing your intelligence. See, you're not just a teacher in this scenario. You're more like a translator. You're the one who takes all that complex, technical jargon of AI and translates it into the simple language of results. You become the bridge that connects the raw power of these tools to the people who need them the most. And trust me on this, that bridge is basically made of pure gold. So how do you actually start building this bridge? Well, it's a lot simpler than you might think. You start by creating the exact kind of guide you wish you had when you were just starting out. You make a simple step-by-step tutorial. This is your secret weapon.
And this is really important. This isn't just about making a quick buck. This is about building a real, sustainable business. When you become the go-to expert in your little corner of the world, you're not just attracting an audience, you're building a loyal community. And that community, well, that's the foundation of a profitable business that can last for the long haul.
Yeah, this is about something much bigger than just getting likes and subscribers. You're not just a content creator here, you are a problem solver. You're not making tap videos, right? You're creating real, tangible value that can literally be measured in dollars and cents and in hours saved for people. And that is a total game changer. But okay, it's not just about what you create. It's also, and maybe even more importantly, about who you attract. This whole strategy isn't about casting a super wide net and just, hoping for the best. Nope. It's about using a laser-focused approach to attract a very specific and very, very valuable type of person. Qualified eyeballs. I just love that phrase from the source material. It's perfect because these are not your average casual YouTube viewers. No way. These are people on a mission. They have a problem they need to solve, a business they're trying to build, and frankly, they probably have a credit card ready to go. They are actively looking for someone to help them. And that's where you come in. I mean, just think about it for a second. Who do you think is more likely to buy a premium course on AI-powered marketing? The person who's just scrolling, watching cat videos? Or the person who just watched your detailed 20-minute tutorial on exactly how to use a specific AI marketing tool? It's a total no-brainer, right? That is the difference between having a hobby and running a real business. So the path forward is actually pretty clear. You don't need to be some grand visionary. You just need to be a good guide. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be generous with what you know. It's simple. Pick a tool, really master it, and then show other people the way. That is how you go from being a follower to being a leader in this whole AI revolution. Look, the opportunity here is absolutely massive, And it's sitting right here, right in front of you. The world is hungry for this knowledge, and you have the power to feed that hunger. So really, the only question left is, what are you going to teach the world? What valuable intelligence will you be the first one to monetize? The future is waiting for your answer.